This week is extremely important for traders who enter the market during the European session. On Thursday, the ECB meeting will take place. Expectations of the event caused a kind of stagnation in the euro-dollar pair. At the same time, the pound sterling dropped amid concerns about a delay in the final lifting of restrictions in the UK, which is scheduled for June 21st. The delay could be caused by a surge in the number of people infected with Delta, the Indian strain of COVID-19. What's more, the British pound lost the positions it gained before the publication of the US labour market data. There is no wonder as the US labour market continues recovering and the number of new jobs pointed to further improvement. At the same time, the euro entered the sideways channel and now it's showing no signs of correction. A completely empty macroeconomic calendar could be the main reason for such a situation. However, judging by the British pound's movement, we can say that there are some other reasons. The euro's stagnation could have been caused by the expectations of the ECB meeting. Investors are more focused on the comments that will follow the meeting. The fact is that the regulator's attitude towards the rise in inflation remains uncertain. Moreover, there are signs that the inflation growth may accelerate. In other words, market participants cannot predict the ECB's decision. The regulator may either tighten its monetary policy or remain it unchanged. Such uncertainties led to stagnation in the euro. Let us take a look at the trading charts. On Friday, the euro-dollar pair was in great demand in the beginning of the US trade, when the US statistical data was published. The pair returned to the level of 1.2160 and got stuck. On the trading chart, we can see that the pair is hovering within a narrow range compared to the dynamic it showed on June 4th. If the price declines to 1.2140 or jumps to 1.2185, the trade volume is likely to rise. At the same time, on Friday, the pound-dollar pair soared following the euro. However, it was still trading within the range of 1.4100 and 1.4240. The pair bounced from the lower limit of 1.4100 and hit the level of 1.4172. Analyzing the chart, we can see that the pound-dollar pair rebounded from the middle level of 1.4172 and almost returned to the lower limit of the range located at 1.41. As a result, the volume of short positions dropped. Traders may still apply the strategy based on consecutive bounces. However, it's still possible to use the strategy based on a break of either limit or the sideways channel. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.